Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Numoya Portable Straightener Brush. So as you can see, it is just a portable brush on the go. So for example, you don't have any time to brush your hair at home, you can just bring this along with you. As you can see, you can turn this on right here. As you can see, 5 minutes on the go styling, fast and easy, shiny, healthy hair, suitable for all hair types. So as you can see, if you scroll down here, you get convenience, salon quality results, portability, and easily charge anywhere. So as you can see, it's just like an iron for your hair. You can straighten out your hair anywhere. You don't need to bring the big iron for your hair anywhere. So as you can see, these are the results. So if you're wondering if this product is legit, let's actually go over here to Trustpilot and see the reviews and see that they're rated 4.0 out of 5 stars, which is great, with 557 reviews. However, they do have a lot of 1-star reviews, and let's head on over and see some of them. So this person said that it's professional, informatively, lovely night cream. I don't know why this person said it's a cream. Let's not count this. Happy customer. I've ordered 4 of them so far. 2 as gifts. Very easy to order. Prompt reply. I am not impressed with the brush. The teeth are not long enough to go through my thick hair. I feel it's a waste of money. Yep, that could be a problem. Confiscated at airport. Great styling brush. Been waiting for this product. Great product. Handy item. So there are a lot of 5-star reviews or good reviews right here, and 18% is only 1 star. So they do claim that it is suitable for all hair types. However, the persons who rated it 1 star are saying that they're not suitable for their hair, since if your hair is thick, as you can see, the teeth are, or the brushes of the hair is very short. So if you have very thick hair, it might not penetrate well through your hair. So I advise you to do some research before buying this product. However, it seems pretty legit. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.